If you are currently looking for that next vehicle that will make a great daily commuter, then this 2012 Toyota Camry is just what you're looking for. Boasting a sleek black exterior, you'll definitely be turning some heads while on the road in this Camry. The Camry's legendary reliability is matched by its impressive efficiency, as the sedan boasts a 25-liter engine which produces an extremely respectable 35 mpg on the highway and 25 mpg in the city. You'll find everything you need for comfortable daily driving in this Camry, including a Bluetooth phone connection that allows for hands-free calling. A touchscreen audio system is complete with USB and auxiliary inputs, making it easy to play your own music from your favorite device. Heated leather front seats will make those worries of chilly mornings will melt away as you sit behind the wheel of Toyota's top-selling vehicle. This one-owner sedan is a Smart Original, meaning it was purchased here at Smart Motors, has been maintained by our expert technicians, and is now ready again for sale exclusively here. Stop by Smart Motors and take this vehicle home before the opportunity passes.